Yes, let's cook. Hiyo ni kitunguu nilikuwa nishakatakata. Eka kitunguu in your sufuria, add mafuta kidogo ama mafuta of your choice. Kama unapenda mafuta mingi, well and good. Kama unapenda kidogo sawa. Hiyo ni ginger and garlic, nimeiponda ponda. Now add it to your onions. Onions si lazima iive ikuwe brown. Mostly ukitaka hiyo kuku or hiyo nyama ikuwe tamu, usipike kitunguu iive kabisa. Like that's the best 3 to 4 minutes. Aya, koroga vizuri. Ukikoroga vizuri, make sure that sasa the ginger and the garlic imemwaga juice. Now add your nyanyas zenye umekatakata small pieces. Ukisha katakata hiyo nyanya small pieces, eka ndani. Alafu make sure hiyo nyanya imeiva vizuri. It should produce a very good paste. So that paste ndio itapatia ile nyama ladha. Add your spices. Unaweza weka as many spices as you want. For me, I only use cubes. They are good for me, but you can add many spices as you want. That's boiled chicken. Mimi, I prefer boiled chicken because I have a baby, but it's not a must you boil chicken. Unaweza pika tu kuku directly, but for me natakanga ikiwa boiled. I feel ikiwa boiled, it's easier and it's fast to cook. Alafu I also needed the soup for my kid, so that's why nilikuwa nimeiboil kwanza. So ukishaweka kuku yako hapo, koroga vizuri and remember to add salt. Me, I had added salt when I was boiling the meat, so in your case itabidi add salt when you're adding the spices. Remember to like, follow, subscribe and share with friends. So koroga vizuri. Ukikoroga vizuri ipatie 5 to 3 minutes iive juu already shaiva. But if you're cooking without boiling, you'll have to give it 20 to 25 minutes. Wow. Now this is hoho. You add hoho. You can add dania and everything, but for me, I prefer hoho kwa sababu that's what I had around. Mix it well. And also hoho, usiache iive tena sana. Ipatie 3 to 4 minutes. Isikuwe ni ile hoho imeiva tu, like iko crunchy, you know. Try this, you will love it, my dear. You will like it. Oh, best chicken ever. See how it looks? Give it some time. Inyonye iyo ladha. Wow, now serve. Look at that. Perfect. Sweet. Mwah, I love it.